we met in the chamber of the Senedd and we discussed and picked apart our life skills in the curriculum report.
Yn yr adroddiad mae yna 13 argymhelliad ar gyfer be fydra ni wneud mwyn rhoi sgiliau bywyd yn y curriculum a rhoi addysg gorau i bobl ifanc.
Our report focused on young people, their opinions on life skills, and adults and their opinion on life skills being taught in the curriculum. I think it's really important that we look at this because who can decide a young person's future better than a young person? And I think we all need a say, especially young people, in how our education goes.
Mae Senedd Ieuenctid wedi cyhoeddi I adroddiad cyntaf ac mae'n ffantastig, mae'n adroddiad cynhwysfawr ac dwi'n just hapus fel Comisiynydd Plant I weld pobl ifanc ledled Cymru I gael y platfform I dweud I ddweud mewn ffordd sy'n profil uchaf fel hyn.
I think it's excellent. I think it's very comprehensive. It's based on evidence and consultation, so it's been fully informed. And I think it picks up all the really key issues that we know young people are concerned about, really, that we need to be more focused on giving them a wide-ranging education, the skills that they need for life. I was particularly pleased to see the emphasis on the emotional and mental health of children and young people because that is something that we've been working very hard to improve. So I'm really, really heartened and enthusiastic about it.
I really welcomed their report. It was evidence-based, it was thoughtful, it was balanced, and what I particularly like about this report is they didn't just say all the things that they think are wrong with the current system. They actually said, this is what we think should happen next, this is how it would fit with the ethos of the new curriculum, and they came out with a really practical list of recommendations.
I really hope that more emphasis is put on life skills and that people realise what a life skill is and people understand that they're not just things to be tossed aside. The life skills are majorly important in a young person's life.
Gobeithio wnaeth nhw gymryd yr 13 argymhelliad a cynnwys o yn y curriculum newydd fel bod pobl ifanc Cymru yn dysgu am sgiliau bywyd ac yn barod dod allan fel pobl ifanc sy'n barod am fywyd.